Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. We're at CES 2018 in the LG booth. We've got Randy here who's going to talk about how LG is incorporating NFC into some of their laundry products. Randy, what have we got?
So it's all about artificial intelligence and making life a little bit easier at home. So this is the LG Styler Steam Clothing Care System. This is great for those items that you would typically care to the dry cleaners, but in between those times it's going to use steam. You can see the shaking action inside of here. It's going to reduce odors and wrinkles. It's a great way of kind of maintaining those items before you actually need to get them clean. But to make it even easier, you may eventually see NFC tags in your products. So here's our label, and what you would do is take your smartphone with the NFC antenna, tag that item, and it can go and program the perfect cycle to take care of that particular item. We could even do the same thing for our laundry. So go ahead and tag that, sends the information to your washer, and programs the perfect cycle to take care of that garment. Couldn't be any easier than that.
Very cool. Now the tags, are those then provided by the manufacturer of the clothing, or does LG produce a tag that you can put on the clothing?
So NFC tagged garments is already kind of being used and experimented with back home in South Korea. And we could see this eventually come to the US market.
Wow, great. All right, some more innovative stuff here from LG. We're at CES 2018. Make sure you guys stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see all the stuff we're putting up from CES.